Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial where we will model a low poly car model, so let's get started. First add a cube, then scale it down to match the scale of a car. Now add a mirror modifier. Before adding the modifier, you have to add a loop cut in between the cube by pressing Ctrl R. For 3D modeling, it is essential to master all the tools and remember their keys, like for moving, you have to press G for rotation, R to scale S, to extrude E, to inset I. For further options of extrusion, you have to press Alt E, and for insetting, you have to press I twice. And with this, our model is complete. Now we have to add the textures that we will do in the next tutorial. This is how the model will look after the texturing. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. Bye for now, we will meet in tomorrow tutorial, and thank you for your support.